Welcome to our channel app tutorial, and if you guys are facing the problem where you just favorited your song and when you went to the favorite folder or when you try to use the favorite song just does not appear or it does not shows you on your phone. In that case, I will be showing you guys how you guys can fix your problem. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, log out of your TikTok account and log in again. To log out, just click on your profile option at the bottom right, click on the three line at the top, click on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, click on logout, and you will be logged out from your TikTok account. After you have logged out, what you want to do is log in into your account again on TikTok. Once you log in into your account, click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen, and at the top right beside the lock icon you can see a little favorite icon. Click on it and go on versus sounds, and all the music you have favorited is going to be over here. And if it's still not here even after logging out and logging in, just delete your TikTok app. Sometimes a bug causes this problem. Just delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. If you do that, you will update your app and you will clear the virus at the same time, or bugs, not virus but bugs, alright? And your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is open TikTok, go on profile, click on the three line at the top, click on settings and privacy. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down until you see where it says submit a report. Click on it, and over here write this: I cannot see the songs which I have favorited, they just don't appear to me. Can you help me fix this problem? After you write your issue, you can click on submit at the bottom, and basically your TikTok staff will view it and they'll reply to you and help you fix your problem. That's how you guys can fix TikTok's favorite sound not showing issue. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel app tutorial. I'll see you guys next time.